Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna put some insulation on these doors. We've already done the AC. It feels wonderful in here. Next, we'll do the doors, then the floors. I've got some insulation from Blue Tex Insulation, and we're gonna give it a shot and see how it works out. First, I gotta clean these doors up. They're dirty from working in here. So I'm gonna take the time to wipe them down. So let's get started. Next, we can start applying the double-sided tape. All the doors are nice and clean. Go ahead and get these packages open and get started on it. That water and them doors, that water, oh, that's the clean rags. Let me show you the dirty water. That was just a whole bunch of grinding dust and all the good stuff like that. Filthy. And I cleaned out the bucket between each door. But I'll be able to keep them cleaner this go around. They won't have those ledges. Go ahead and measure 12 inches and count how many each one of those is. There's going to be a double-sided strip on every rib, every 12 inches. They say 12 to 18. A video I saw, he had way extra doing it at 18, so I'm gonna do them at 12. First of the 3 doors are done. I ordered an extra roll of the double-sided tape. So I did it, as you see, piece of tape, space 2, and then tape. That should be more than enough. They recommend 12 to 18 inches. Why not do overkill? last thing to do is put up that last piece. I'm going to cut this lengthwise because I don't want it to overhang halfway. All the other doors are done, as you saw. And then once we get all this up, then we'll go ahead and tape the edges. You can already feel the difference when I touch the door versus touch the insulation. It'll definitely help in here. It's already staying nice and cold, but I'll take all the help I can get. The last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tint the windows, all of them. Let's finish this up. Did a little trimming, gave myself 1.5 inches at least. There's a few spots where the factory cut wasn't straight, so you have a little bit more of a gap. Only thing that's left is putting tape on the seams, and if we have enough, we're gonna put tape around the outer edges as well. That's it. Wasn't so bad. A little bit of dirt on it. Need to wipe it down. But really not so bad. We'll see how it holds up to the Florida heat. We have all 3 of them done and ready to go. When I say hold up, we'll see how that tape holds up. The double-sided tape on the back side and also the joint tape that's joining it all together. It looks like that's a seam, but it's just a shadow lifted or nothing. I mean, this stuff's pretty sticky, pretty good, and I'm sure you give it some time, yeah, look at it. It's elasticy. Nice. I already noticed a difference before I put the tape on the outer edge. When I touched the metal of the door, it was definitely a few degrees warmer than with the insulation on it. So like I said, we'll see how it does. All right, everyone, once again, thanks for watching. Have a good night.